No-bake cheesecake recipe. Easy, creamy, and absolutely delicious. This no-bake cheesecake comes together with just 5 main ingredients and requires no oven. Ingredients. For the base: 300 g digestive biscuits, 150 g butter, salted or unsalted, melted. For the filling: 560 g full-fat cream cheese at room temperature, 120 g icing sugar, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, 1 cup double cream. Method. Step 1. Prepare the base. Place the digestive biscuits in a food processor and blend until fine crumbs form. Add the melted butter and pulse again until fully combined. Transfer the mixture into a springform tin and press down firmly to create an even base. Place in the refrigerator to set while you prepare the filling. Step 2. Make the filling. In a large bowl, add the cream cheese, icing sugar, and vanilla extract. Beat until smooth and creamy. Step 3. Whip the cream. In a separate bowl, pour the double cream. Whip until stiff peaks form. Step 4. Combine. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture until well combined and fluffy. Spoon the filling over the chilled biscuit base and spread evenly. Step 5. Set and serve. Cover the tin and refrigerate overnight, or at least 6 to 8 hours, until firm. Once set, remove from the tin, slice, and serve. Tips and variations. Top with fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or fruit coulis for extra flavor. Use ginger biscuits instead of digestives for a spicy twist. Swap vanilla for lemon zest or almond extract for a different flavor profile.